talk about this pointer concept in C++. Okay, how it will be useful in C++. This point, you know that what is pointer? The pointer which are used to store the address of the another variable. But what is this pointer? I don't want to talk about the pointer. What is this pointer? Just look at those statements about these pointers. It is used to refer the current object because if you are able to create a number of objects to the same class. Suppose if you create a 100 object to this particular class, how should you identify the current object? Okay, by using this pointer directly, this pointer whenever using this pointer concept in your program, then which refer to the current object of a class. I hope it is clear. If you create a number of objects for a particular class, but how you identify the current object of the class? It is possible by using the what? This pointer. Just you see the second statement. It used to resolve the name conflicts between the data members, which is also called as the class variables, and what is called local variables. What does mean that data member which is also called as the class variables? Here to resolve the name conflicts between the data members and local variables. For example, I will tell you just int x, they are the class variables. For example, y display, these are called as the data members. For example, int x into y. But here, suppose x equal to x, y equal to y. These are belongs to what? Data members. These are the data members. They are called as local variables. Okay. The scope of these variable is only within this function. But if x equal to x, y equal to y, if you display some x and y, for example, in another function, x and y, if you want to display those values in the other function, what is the output? Because at that time, the output should be what? Garbage values. Because here, which one is the x is belongs to the class variable and data member. Because here also x equal to x, how do you refer these variables? How it is pointed to the class variables or data members of a class. These are called as x and y, the local variable. But x equal to y equal to, how do you difference? Which one is the data member is here, which one is the local variable is here? X is belongs to what? Here both are refers to only here only. This is a problem. Okay, how do you resolve this kind of problem using this pointer? How do you refer? Because if you are using the global variable and local variable, which one having the priority will be given to the local variable, not the, suppose here int x equal to 10, suppose y display the again x equal to 20, see out x, here x equal to 10, here x equal to 20. The priority is given to only this one, local variable. Okay. Here, how do you refer to the data members of a class? Then it is possible with help of the what? This pointer. This pointer. Here, this refer to what? Class variables or data members. This refer to what? X, Y. I hope it is clear. This pointer, you are using this symbol, arrow symbol. This of x, which point refer to the data member of class, y refer to the y data member of the class. This is the second advantage. And the third use is that it is used to pass the current object as an argument. Yes, exactly, it is possible. It is used to pass the current object as an argument. Current, here if you create the n number of object to a same class, already I discussed it beginning of this class. But how do you pass the current object to a particular function? Here, suppose I want to pass the argument, suppose display. How do you pass the current object to the display function? We create the number of x1, okay, object 1, ob1, ob2, ob3, ob4, a number of objects you created to a class. They are the object, for example. How the current object should be passed as an argument to a particular function? Suppose I want to pass to a display function. For a class example is a sample. Sample OB1, sample OB2, sample OB3, sample OB4. I create the four objects. Sorry to say, semicolon is there. I create the class, I declare the class sample. I create the four object to a class sample. But how do you pass the current object to a particular function? OB1, OB2, OB3. I don't want to use the object name, just use this pointer, just to write this. Then display, if you want to pass the current object to a display function, how should you write the function call? Just to this, you should write display, then after that this. Then this one, what is the meaning of this one? This is referred to the what? Current object of a class. Which one is the current object is there? OB4. OB4 can be passed to the display function. I hope it is clear. They are the uses of this pointer. First one is that this pointer is used to refer the what? Current object. For example, this one. The second one is used to refer the data members of a class or class variable of a. This pointer is pointed to the what? Data members of a class. Here this example as given. Okay. How this pointer of x is referred to the what? Data members of x data member of x data member. This of y which refer to the what? Y data member of a class. Here the third use is that it is used to pass the current object as an argument. Okay, we don't want to pass the object as an argument. Here create the 100 objects to a class. How should you pass the current object to a particular function? Just you should write this pointer. Then automatically what is the current object of a class? This is passed as an argument to a particular function. These are the uses of this pointer concept in C++. Then I am going to write the example for this pointer concept in C++. I hope it is clear to everybody. Example is class, suppose rectangle, then here I want to take two data members is int length and breadth. L is belongs to the length, B is belongs to the breadth. They are what? Data members of a class. Then public void get data int L into B. Then here I should write over here only. Here this dot L equal to L, this dot B equal to B. Then after that, wide area, find area, see out area of rectangle, area of rectangle L into B. Class should be closed over here. Then wide create the object rectangle R dot get data 3, 4, find area. Yeah, I written a simple example about this pointer concept in C++. They are the what? Data members. Here, rectangle R dot get data, then get data function L becomes 3 and 4. Here, for example, if you remove this pointer, I did not use any this pointer for this concept. Then 3 L equal to L because 3 and 4. L equal, it is referred to the what? It does not refer to the data member. It is also belongs to what? L be our local variables. Then when you display here area of rectangle, this L become, it is referred to what? Data members. Here, whenever rectangle or object has been created, L and B values are initialized to 0. Then R dot get data 3, 4. Here L is referred, is belongs to the one local variable, it is not belongs to the data member. The area of rectangle, here if you, what is the output of this program? If you write like this, many of the students will confusing. Here area of rectangle equal 0. Then at that time L value is 0, then B value becomes 0. It is considered these values. It is treated as what? Local variables. It is pointing to that, L is pointing to that, this only. Both are pointing to the this only. It is not pointing to the what? Data members. How do you resolve this kind of problems in C++? Okay, we should use what? This pointer concept. Then this here, now it is referred to this one, it is referred to this one. Here, what is here? 3 and 4. Then L value, here 3 and 4. Then here what is the, if you call R dot find area, what is value? 3 and 4. What is the output is now? Hope is clear? This simple example about this pointer concept in C++. And next video I will talk about what is called template concept, a class template and function template concept. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this pointer concept or else this program, please post your query in comment box window. I will resolve your problem. Thank you for watching my video.